Alright guys, so today we have a interesting chart going on here on Pepe Coin. As we can see here guys, it looks like Pepe Coin wanna break out from this downtrend. Finally, we've been spending some time here guys. We've been here for over 36 days now, over a month where Pepe Coin is just going sideways. Now the level of boredom is increasing. A lot of people are wondering what's going on here. Are we gonna break out of this triangle? Are we gonna see any dips, especially right now with Bitcoin guys here today, another yearly high. So what a rally here guys on Bitcoin guys. Bitcoin not giving up, Bitcoin not looking back. Now a lot of people have been waiting for that dip to come on Bitcoin, to come on Pepe Coin. As we all know here guys, this whole year we just seen upward prices, we just seen rallies, we just seen prices going up, not giving any pullbacks to those that are sidelined. And right now guys, here we are at a crucial level on Pepe Coin. As we can see here guys, prices are slowly squeezing. So we are forming this triangle here on lower time frames, and we can see here the prices are squeezing, and this comes with no surprise guys. Here that level that I've been mentioning here on my channel, that 10 level, 1050, is holding strong. We can see here guys, still holding that price up now, and we can see price slowly squeezing with lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. And this is our fifth try guys, this is the fifth try to break out from that downtrend here locally we see on Pepe Coin. So are we gonna break out of this here guys? So we're gonna look into this here guys in this video, and as well what to expect here from Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is the leading indicator. And if Bitcoin pumps, we're gonna see Pepe Coin finally breaking out from that stressful downtrend. So let's get into it here guys. Now first of all, before we start, do me a favor, leave a like, and let's get into that Pepe Coin chart guys. Now here there are two things we keep in mind as usual here on Pepe Coin, as most of us here guys are just holding Pepe Coin for the long term. Now any dips here on Pepe Coin are going to be those buying opportunities in my opinion, as we officially entered that bull market guys. Now I know a lot of bears are still in disbelief, a lot of people are still think Bitcoin gonna go back to 12k, while Bitcoin just keeps putting in yearly highs over yearly highs. Now today we got another yearly high on Bitcoin, so I don't know what it takes to make people believe that we are on a bullish trend, but in my opinion we are on that bullish trend. I don't need more confirmations that we are on that bullish trend. That is why I say guys, any dips on those coins that you really want to get into before we get those astronomical rallies, those dips should be taken as opportunities. And as usual, this is not financial advice and it's my humble opinion. But anyways here guys, we're gonna cover quickly the downside here on Pepe Coin in case we get those juicy dips that everyone is looking for. So here what we can see is this infamous support on Pepe Coin. They've been here for a while. That support here guys is around that 83, 85, anywhere here guys is a good dip here on Pepe Coin if we do get it. Now we can see here guys, this acted as a support here, and after that we've seen a 100% pump to the upside on Pepe Coin. Now here guys, something to note for those that do not know, whenever we see those huge rallies on Pepe Coin, we usually see those 100% pump. Now recently as well, we've seen Pepe Coin putting in another 100 or over 100%, so 120%, around 120%, 130% we see usually. So that's important to know guys. So if we do get that dip which is here and we get another rally guys, this would put us right around these highs, and I've been talking about these highs guys here. So these highs are the next target here for Pepe Coin. These highs here, if we do get that break, these highs are not safe, these highs are gonna be taken, and these highs is around that 1878. Now this is when it comes to the short term what we could expect in case we get that dip here, and usually we get those 120% pumps, we're gonna go back to these previous highs. Then probably we could see the same thing that is happening right now here, a sort of a distribution somewhere here, then a retest, and then a fly back up again, another 100%. Now if you are holding Pepe Coin for the long term, there is no need to stress with the short term price action or with whatever is happening right now, as these price action here guys are perfect to shake out people. So usually the market rallies 100%, and then we see those consolidations sideways where people get shaken out, people stop believing, people start thinking short term instead of long term and start selling, and that's why they are called distributions guys, where the price usually starts ranging here, and then we see a dip before we see the major highs, and people usually that sell here forget to buy back here, and then usually the market rallies without them, leaving them trying to buy higher. So usually that's what the market does. But now here guys, we have another possibility, and it's that Pepe Coin could break out from this downtrend we can see here. Now we can see we've tested this downtrend for over 5 times right now. So this is about the 5th time right now, and we are getting rejected from there nonetheless. Now what could predict, guys, that the breakout could happen? Now this all comes to Bitcoin. Now we need Bitcoin to do 2 things here, guys. So either we want Bitcoin to stay on that slow grind up here while other altcoins play catch up, including Pepe Coin. Pepe Coin can have a breathing room where it can pull that 3rd leg up. Now this 3rd leg up here, guys, is what's happened here, guys. So we can see here we had 3 tops like that before we've seen a breakdown on Pepe Coin, and probably this could play out here. Now if we could see another breakout, we could target this high here again, this high around that 1436 before we see another pullback. Now the pullback gonna depend on 2 things. If Bitcoin sees a deeper pullback towards the 32k, we could see Pepe Coin going towards that level that we are looking at, that major support, which is around that 83. And in case Bitcoin just stays above the 34k, then we could say that 10 level that been acting as a strong support recently could still hold the price, and from there we see higher, so that we have that support here. The 1050 is so far still holding strong, guys. So if we get the 3rd tap here, the 3rd peak, this could be the target before we see another leg up here on Pepe Coin. But as usual, guys, I'm gonna keep you updated with whatever is happening on Pepe Coin here. But so far here, those are the targets. In case Bitcoin here breaks out to the upside, we are looking at Pepe Coin going towards that 14 level again, breaking out from this downtrend. Now remember, you can always join my Discord, link in the description. It's free to join. If you have any more questions, I'll keep you as well updated there. And as usual, guys, I'll keep you updated also on my channel. And if you have any more questions as well, leave them in the comment section. And as usual, guys, this is my humble opinion. Nothing is financial advice, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.